Hey, welcome to our speaking practice. Our today's topic is about social network. So here there are some questions. I will give all the questions answer. So first question is, what kind of social networking websites do you like to use? The answer will be like that. It's quite easy that social networking sites have become a huge part in our lives, especially young people's, and me too. I am addicted to Facebook, Skype, and Twitter. That's it. And now next one is, are you a social person? I suppose I am outgoing and kind of socialized. I have many friends on Facebook and I can easily get along with other. Then my next one is, what kind of people do you like to make friends with on those websites? I would love to make friends with people who have same interests like mine in music, traveling, and learning English. The last question is it clear to find real friends on social network? I think no. Most of friends I have on Facebook are normal friends. It is common that people just make friends for fun and passing time, and also do not interact or share things a lot on social websites. And that's it to our today's topic. So if my videos are helpful to you, please like and subscribe my channel.